JEE MAIN 2026, 2nd April Shift 2, Physics Section A, Question 29. Let's visualize the setup. We have a coordinate system with x, y and z axis. A positively charged particle moves in the x-y plane. The electric field E equals 0.4 Newton per coulomb in the j-hat direction, pointing upward. The magnetic field B equals 4 times 10 to the minus 3 Tesla in the k-hat direction, pointing out of the page. The particle experiences a net force F and we need to find its velocity. The question states, a particle having charge 10 to the minus 9 coulomb is moving in the xy plane in electric field E equals 0.4 j-hat Newton per coulomb and magnetic field B equals 4 times 10 to the minus 3 k-hat Tesla. It experiences a force of 4 I-hat plus 2 j-hat times 10 to the minus 10 Newton. Find the velocity of the particle at that instant. The options are A, 50 I-hat plus 100 j-hat. B, 100 I-hat plus 50 j-hat. C, minus 50 I-hat plus 100 j-hat. D, 50 I-hat minus 100 j-hat. The key concept here is the Lorentz Force law. The total force on a charged particle in electromagnetic fields is F equals QE plus Q times V cross B. The electric force QE acts along the electric field direction. The magnetic force Q times V cross B acts perpendicular to both the velocity and the magnetic field. We also need the cross product rules, I hat cross K hat equals minus J hat, and J hat cross K hat equals I hat. These are crucial for expanding V cross B. Step 1. Let's expand the cross product V cross B given the charge Q equals 10 to the minus 9 coulomb, E field equals 0.4 J hat, B field equals 4 times 10 to the minus 3 K hat, and velocity V equals Vx I hat plus Vy J hat. Computing V cross B, we distribute the cross product. Using I hat cross K hat equals minus J hat, and J hat cross K hat equals I hat, we get V cross B equals 4 times 10 to the minus 3 times the quantity Vy I hat minus Vx J hat. Step 2. The total force is Q times E plus V cross B expanding, we separate into I hat and J hat components. The x component of force gives us 10 to the minus 9 times 4 times 10 to the minus 3 times Vy equals 4 times 10 to the minus 10. Simplifying, 4 times 10 to the minus 12 times Vy equals 4 times 10 to the minus 10. Solving this, Vy equals 100 meters per second. Step 3. Now the y component. We have 10 to the minus 9 times the quantity 0.4 minus 4 times 10 to the minus 3 Vx equals 2 times 10 to the minus 10. Dividing both sides by 10 to the minus 9, we get 0.4 minus 4 times 10 to the minus 3 Vx equals 0.2. Rearranging, 4 times 10 to the minus 3 Vx equals 0.2. Therefore, Vx equals 50 meters per second. The velocity is 50 I hat plus 100 j hat meters per second. Let's look at the options. Option B has Vx 100 and Vy 50, which is incorrect. Option C has a negative Vx, also incorrect. Option D has a negative Vy, incorrect. Option A gives V equals 50 I hat plus 100 j hat, which matches our calculation perfectly. The correct answer is option A. Here are some exam tips for Lorentz force problems. First, memorize the Lorentz force formula and the cyclic cross product rules, I cross J equals K, J cross K equals I, K cross I equals J. Tip 1, always separate the force equation into individual I, J, and K components and compare them separately. This gives you independent equations to solve. Tip 2, when B is a long K hat, V cross B essentially swaps the Vx and Vy components with a sign change. Memorizing this shortcut saves valuable time in the exam. Like and subscribe for more JEE Main solutions at MAGPIEHUB.